Want to surprise your loved ones with the 14th Feb gift they never forget? Let's dive in then. Hey friends, welcome to Craftspinner, and today we are going to do a unique 14th Feb gift box decoration. So let's start and make this Valentine Day truly extraordinary. I have bought this box cheaply from a $1 shop, and you can see its color was silver, but I don't want it. I am going to change this color with acrylic paints. I have mixed titanium white with yellow to make this rich cream color. I am going to paint the embossed design on the box with golden acrylic paint to make it stand out. We are going to do more decoration on it, and I wanted this golden design to give a special subtle touch to the decoration of the box. I am using a fine liner or a brush of 0 number here to do this painting with the golden paint. Paint all the embossed design in the same way, and you can see this is done. But I have left the inside of the box as it was. I am not going to change its color. I am going to use a piece of ribbon here, and the measurements of the ribbon are 4 into 4 centimeters. Cut all the corners in a half round shape. We are going to burn all the edges of the ribbon now so that the ribbon shouldn't fray. We are going to use this round piece of ribbon as a base for all the decorative items we are going to use to decorate this box. All the things we are using here to decorate this box, we are going to make them in the coming up videos. I couldn't make all those things, all these leaves and flower in this video, or it's going to be one long video, and you know long videos are always boring. We are going to stick 3 rose leaves on the base with hot glue. Hey everyone, ever thought why we always stick to red roses for Valentine's? Well, it's time to mix it up. Did you know each rose color has its own secret message? Do you see this stunning rose I've got here? It's a beautiful mix of cream and deep pink. This isn't just any rose, it's a special message of appreciation and sweetness rolled into one. Cream for the gratitude we feel, and deep pink for the extra sprinkle of sweetness. So why not make your Valentine's a bit more unique this year with a rose that says it all? We have stuck rose with hot glue in the center of our decoration, and now we are going to use small bunches of rose buds. I am going to use some bead vines here to give this bunch an extra special touch, and I have used lime green pearl beads to make these bead vines. Put a dot of hot glue on the end of the bead vine and then stick it. We are going to use 3 bead vines here. Our decorative bunch is ready, so now we are going to put a big dot of hot glue on the wrong side of the bunch, and then we are going to stick it in the center of the box. See these two birds and the bead vines? We are going to wrap these together with floral tape, and I am using a floral tape of light green color here. We are going to make two small bunches like this, and we are going to stick them at the two sides of the box. See these? They look like half pearls, but actually these are stones. I am going to use Fevicryl glue here to stick these stones. This glue is used for jewelry making and stones don't fall out. And friends, it's not a paid promotion. I use this glue often and I am sharing its advantages with you. Put dots of glue on equal distance on the lid and then start sticking the stones. The small red stick you are seeing in my hand is made of wax, and because of its waxy texture, this is used as a tool for sticking stones. This looks cute, doesn't it? We are going to stick the stones on the box as well. Your Valentine box is ready, so what are you going to put into it? First up, we are kicking things off with a classic favorite, chocolate candies, because nothing says I adore you quite like a box full of these delights. This isn't just any box, it's a treasure chest that unveils the glimmer of affection. Use it to give a jewelry set to your loved one. Imagine the look on their face when they find a piece that expresses your affection. Picture this: among a sea of chocolate candies, there lies a shiny beacon of commitment, an engagement ring. Best of luck for a new journey in your life.